Okay, so for this next meeting, we're going to actually go into the org chart and have some pretty interesting content for you there. But just to finish up the vision process, what I'd like to do is consolidate all of your content into a nice presentable format, create a new process, paste that new content into that new process, and make it available to all of your employees so that they will have guidelines for their beliefs, your values, how everybody needs to be in your business. This is going to be a tool that's going to be used for onboarding new employees and managing existing employees. Go ahead and log into your TouchStone account. Click on your position and let's go to the strategic planning so we can access the content that you saved after our last meeting. And if you recall, it's probably down in the document tool and it'll be right over here. It'll be called under saved. If you click on saved, you should see one or more of your drafts and it'll be timestamped. So click the one that is the most recent, most current. And you'll see all of your content in here. Now, this content isn't pretty. This is basically your assumptions, all of your information, and it's got our examples in it, etc. So all I want you to do is click in here, and if you do Control A on your keyboard, you'll highlight everything that you've got in there, and then right-click and say Copy. And you don't have to worry about save or anything like that now. Just let's go out to the 4 key functions and click on Guiding the Business. Click on Processes, Create. Let's create a new process name called Our Mission, Purpose, and Values. And we can put it under Strategy, that's fine. And I'm going to select it, and I'm going to click on the Document tool here. And again, I'm going to type in Our Mission, Purpose, and Values. And I'm going to click Create Document. And I'm going to click into this section. And I'm going to right-click and say Paste as Plain Text. And this is going to paste everything that I just copied. At the top, I'm going to write Our Mission, Purpose, and Values. And then I'm going to delete all of this, because it's not useful. And I'm going to say something like Our Mission. So all I'm doing here is I'm tidying it up nicely. Our Mission. And then I'll keep this. This looks pretty good. And I might even bullet it. And then I'm going to get rid of this because this is all extra stuff. And I'm going to have my purpose here, and I'm going to bullet this, and then I'm going to go all the way down here, get rid of all that stuff, type in our values. So again, all we're really doing is tidying this up and making it really presentable for people, for our employees. And so I have to do a little bit of tidying up here. Okay, so now I've got a pretty cool, clean mission, purpose, and values. And I click Save. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come out to the process level, and I'm going to make this public and available to all users. Instead of linking it to specific positions on the org chart, I've essentially linked it to everybody. So now when I go to the dashboard, it appears right here, Our Mission, Purpose, and Values. And it doesn't matter who I am, what position I'm in, it's always going to appear out here for everybody in the company. And if you need to manage to this, or if you are onboarding a new employee and you want them to see this and you want to introduce them to your mission, purpose, and values, you can simply click on it. You can click on it and it will open up like this, and then you can teach them. You can deliver your mission, purpose, and values. Okay, so once we've got that down, we're pretty much done with our mission, purpose, and values. So see how you do putting that together, and we'll tidy it up when we meet on Thursday.